everyone, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Learn with Moji. Thank you for tuning in, and to my young sharp, happy midterm. Hope you are all enjoying it because I'm powerfully enjoying mine. So today we are going back to our mathematics class, and now we have 26th edition. I went through the 26th and the 26th edition and the 25th edition. They are actually the same, but the questions are scattered. So if you are in text 1 of 26th edition, is text 18 of 25th edition. So today we are going straight to text 18. We have to go to text 16, but because of the new edition that I saw, I think I have to move with that pace now. So if you are using 26th edition of Mathematics Ugosingo, we are in text 1. And if you are using 25th edition, we are in text 18. So let's go straight to our text 18 or text 1 if yours is 26th edition. Mine is 25th, so I'm going to text 18. And as I used to say, calculator is not allowed. So for those of you that you are just using this textbook, you are welcome. The wisdom of God will go with you. Just calm down. Take those questions. They are your normal questions, but they were in a word form. So take those questions, interpret them, bring down the figures that you needed there. Then before you know it, you will see that it's just normal. My people are so scared of the textbook, and I used to tell them, just calm down. Calm down. So for those of us that are just using the textbook, welcome on board. So now to number 1 question, we are to express 50,807. And if you are seeing me for the first time, I will take the question, interpret it, solve it to a very reasonable level, then leave it for you to give me the final answer. And don't forget, calculator is not allowed. So 50,807. In option A, we have 587, which is wrong. We have 50,087, which is wrong. C, we have 5,087, which is wrong. D, we have 5,807, which is wrong. And E, we have 50,807. So our answer to question 1 is, so let me write text 18 or text 1. So for number 1, our answer there is E. So now to number 2 question, subtract 19.999 from 33.333. So let's do 33.333, 19.999. So you take it away. Let me leave that for you to do. I know I'm dealing with smart kids. Number 3 says express 10,097 in figure. We have 10,097. So let me help that. Number 4, given that p minus 73 is equal to 100, what is the value of p? P minus 73 is equal to 100. So what do you do here? When you have it as subtraction, you turn it to addition. That will be 100 plus 73, which is equal to 173. Do we have it? We have it as option B. Number 5 question. What is the place value of the 5 in the number? We have 3, 5, 2, 3, 4. So what is the place value of this? Just pick this 5, turn the rest to a 0. So we have 5000. So that's 4,000. And that is option B. Number 6, what is the average of 203, 237, 267, and 293? So the average is you add all of them together, then divide it by the number of items that we have. So we have 203 plus 237. Let me reduce it. Number 6, we have 203 plus 237 plus 267 plus 3 plus 293. Then over 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go. 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. So you are holding 2. 9 plus 6, that is 15. 15 plus 3, that is 18. 18 plus 0, 18 plus the 2, that is 20. We are still holding 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus the 2, that is 5. So that is 10. 4 here, that is 2 in 20, that is 5. So the average there is 250, which is option C. So now to number 7 question. Express 2.25 as a percentage. Whenever you hear the word percentage, 2.25 over 100 times 100. This 100 takes care of this, so we have 225%. So we have that as option E. Number 8 question. What percentage of 500 is 25? So that will be 25 over 500 multiplied by 100. This will take care of this. So 5 here 1, 5 here 5. So that is 5. We have it as option A. Number 9 question. What is the sum of 6 squared plus 2 raised to power 4? 6 squared is 6 times 6 plus 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 for 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. So we have 36 plus 66 plus 6, that is 12. Holding 1. 3 plus 1, 4 plus the 1, 5. So the answer there is 15. 2. So now to number 10 question. Find the missing number in this addition. So we have, let me write it out. Number 10, we have 8, something missing here, 4. We have 2, 3, 8, and we have 1, 4, 2. And we are told that it gives us 1, 2, 2, 4. So this is what we are going to do. Add this together. Whatever answer you get, minus it from this. So that would be 2, 3, 8, 1, 4, 2. This is 10, 7, 8, and this is 3. Is that our final answer? No. So that would be 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 2, 4 minus 380. So let's go. This is 4. Borrow 1 from here, making 12. 8 from 12, that is 4. We have 11 here. 3 from 11, that is 8. So the missing number there is 4. This is the missing number. Now to number 11 question. What is the cost of 7 meters of clothes at 2 naira? So I'm going to leave that for you. 7 meters of clothes, each is 2 naira, 904. So we have to multiply that by 7. So whatever answer you get is your final answer. So now to our number 12. Let me quickly clean this. So number 12 question says, given that 12 divided by x is equal to 10, find x. It is given number 12. 12 divided by x is equal to 10. Then x is going to be what? 12 divided by 10. This is an improper fraction. So we have 1.2. We have it there. We have it as option B. Number 13 question. We are giving a diagram for the benefit of those who don't have it. Let me quickly sketch it out. We have 6 centimeter. We have 2 centimeter. We have 2 here. We have 2 here. And we have 3.5, all in centimeter. So the question now says, find the area of the diagram. To find the area of the diagram, that will be length times breadth, which is equal to 6 times 2, and that gives us 12 centimeter. And for the second one, that will be 3.5, and anything that we have here, we have it here too. So 3.5 times 2, which is equal to 7, and that will be 12 plus 7, which is equal to 19. So our answer there is 19 centimeter square. Number 14 says, what is the perimeter of this diagram. So when we are looking for the perimeter, we add all of them together. So please do add that and let me have it in the comment section. That will be 2, 2, 6, 2, 3.5 and 3.5. So add all the figures together. Add all the figures together. Number 15 question. Number 15 says, find the difference between LXVI and XCI. X is LXVI and XCI. So if you are not familiar with your Roman numeral, please take your time to know that. So this will be 91 because this is 100, 10 away from 100 plus 1, that is 91. Our L is 50, X is 10, V is 5, I is 1. So we have LXVI, which is equal to 66. So let me leave you to do this for me. So now to number 16 question. 3 articles of the same price cost 12 naira 24 kobo. How much did one article cost? Number 16 question. We have 12 naira 24 kobo for 3 clothes. And so how much will one be? 3 here 1, 3 in 12, that is 4 points. Can 3 goes in these 2? No. So don't skip it. 3 in 24, and that will give you 8. So if 3 of the clothes is 12 naira 24 kobo, then 1 yard or 1 meter of the clothes will be 4 naira and 8 kobo. Let me connect this place to go to number 17. So our number 17 question says, change 3 kilometer 45 meters to meter. From kilometer to meter, that is multiplied by 1000. So that would be 3 times 1000 plus 45 meter. Number 17, 3 kilometer with 45 meter. So that would be 3 times 1000 plus 45. So that would be 3045, and that would be 3045 meter. I'm sure we have it in the comment section. Number 18, let me sketch the diagram we are giving. We are giving something like this. And the question now is, what is the name of the diagram? We have square, pyramid, rectangle, triangle, trapezium. So the answer there is trapezium. Number 19 question. 2/5 of the 200 students in Form 1 of a school are girls. 2/5 and 200 are girls. Those are. So the question now is, how many of them are boys? So we are going to deal with this first. Whatever answer you get, you take it away from 200, and the answer we get is the number of boys we have there. So let's go. 5 here 1, 5 in 20, that is 4, and 5 in 0 is 0. So we have 2 times 40, which is equal to 80. So the girls there are 80, and we are told that both the girls and the boys are 200. So that would be 200 minus 80, which is equal to 120 boys. And in case there is any other question you would like me to do, please do well to put it in the comment section. Number 20 says, correct 89.6162 to 2 decimal places. Number 20, we have 89.6162. What they are telling us to correct to 2 decimal places, that we only need 2 figures after the decimal. Here we have 4, but we want to reduce it to 2. So this is not up to, this is up to 5. So this will be plus 1. 89 points, because this is up to 1, we've added this 6, 2. So now to number 21 question. 21 question says, Olaolu's monthly salary is 604 naira 18 kobo. He pays 10% as income tax per month. What is his monthly tax to the nearest naira? Number 21. Any number that carries the percent carries the over 100. So we had 10%. Multiply it by 604 naira 18 kobo. So this is 0 can take care of this is 0. 2 year 5, 2 year 3, 2 in 0 is 0, 2 in 4 that is 2. So we have this 5 year 1, 5 in 30 that is 6, 5 in 2 is 0. So we are told to leave it in the what nearest number. So we have 16 naira as our answer. So option number 21 is B. Now to number 22 question before cleaning the board again. Number 22 says a tank is 6 meter by 4 meter by 3 meter. Calculate 1/3 of its volume. What you will do here, you are multiplying length times breadth times height. Whatever answer you get, you divide it by 3 because we are told 1/3 of the tank. So that would be 6 meter multiplied by 4 meter multiplied by 3 meter. Then you divide it by 3. So 6 times 4 times 3, that is 72. 72 divided by 3. 3 in 7, that is 2. Remainder 1. 3 in 12, that is 4. So our answer there is 24. We have it as option C. 24 meter cube because we are talking about 3 ends there. So now to know, we are going to number 23. So number 23 question says, simplify 2 whole number 1/2 plus 3 whole number 1/4. Divide it by 2 whole number 1/2. Don't let it look so complex to you. It is something you can do very well. 1/2 plus 3 whole number 1/4 over 2 whole number 1/2. Before we start anything, these are mixed fractions. Let's turn them to improper fraction first. 2 multiplied by 2, that is 4 plus 1. So we have 5/2 plus 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12 plus 1, that is 13/4. So let's work with this before coming to the division aspect. The LCM here is 4. 2 in 4, that is 2. 2 plus 5, 2 times 5, that is 10. 4 in 4, 1, and that is 13. So we have 23/4 over 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5/2. So this comes here, and this take care of this. So that means we're having 23 times 2 over 4 times 5. 2 year 1, 2 year 2. So we have 23 over 2 times 5, that is 10. And this is an improper fraction. How many times with 10 goes in 23? That is 2. Remainder 3/10. Can you see how simple it is? And the question looking complex initially. So we have it as option 1, 2 whole number 3/10 as option D. So now to our number 24 question. A motorist left Lagos at 11 a.m. and arrived at Ile-Ife at 1:30 p.m. If the distance between Lagos and Ile-Ife is 168 km, what was the average speed of the motorist? So we are told that 11:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. So how many hours is that? 11, 12, so that is 2 hours. So that would be 168 km we have in the question, divided by 2. 2 in 16, that is 8. 2 in 8, that is 4. So that is going to be 84 km. So now to our number 25 question. What is the biggest of this fraction? And we have 1/3, 1/4, 3/8, 7/24, and 5/12. You have been doing this kind of questions, so I will expect you, I will leave it for you to do. Our LCM here can be 24. is either we use the fraction aspect, which we take, if it is this fraction aspect, it's going to be like this. 3 in 1, not possible. So 3 in 10, you had your point. 3 in 10, that is 3. Remainder 1 again, 3 in another 10. So we have that. So if you are using the fraction aspect, we have this. But if you are using the LCM, look for the LCM of all this, and that is 24. How many times will 3 goes in 24? That is 8. 8 times 1, you leave it like that. 4 in 24, that is 6. 8 in 24, that is 3. 3 times 3, that is 9. 24 in 24, that is 1. 1 times 7, that is 7. 12 in 24, that is 2. 2 times 5, that is 10. So now the question is the biggest. So which one is the biggest out of that? It is the 10. So our answer there is 5 over 12, because this is the biggest, and the biggest is represented by this. And if you want to use the fraction aspect, the way you have picked this 1 over 3 and you have done it like this, you will do the same thing for the 1 over 4. So now to our number 26 question. So our number 26 question says, evaluate is 0 point, number 26 is 0 point is 0.0091. They didn't put any sign there, but it should have been, you have to divide it by 0.013. So when you have this, let's take it back by 3. 1, 2, 3. So we are having 9.1. Let's take this by 3. 1, 2, 3. So we're having 13. So 9.1 divided by 13, that will be 0. 9 in this is not possible. So 13, 9 in 13, that is 7. So our answer there is 0.7. Do we have it there? We have it as option D. Number 27 question. A lorry tank was 4 over 5 full of petrol when the gauge indicated 72 liters. What was the full capacity of the tank in liters? We are told 4 over 5, we don't know, but we are told it's 72. So this down comes of the hops comes down. So that would be 5 over 4 times 72. 4 here 1. 4 in 7, that is 1. Remainder 3. 4 in 32, that is 8. So we are having 5 times 18. 5 times 8, that is 40. We are holding 4. 5 times 1, 5 plus 1, 90. So our answer there is 90 liters. So now to our number 28 question. 28 says, find the LCM of 48, 40, and 24. So we start with the list, which is 2. 2 here, that is 24, 20, 12. 2 here, that would be 12, then 6. 2 here, that would be 6, 5, 3. 2 here, that would be 3, 5, 3. 3 here, that would be 1, 5, 1. Then 5 here, we have 1, 1, 1. So we are having 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, and that will give you 240. So now to our number 29 question. So our 29 question is, which of the following is not a prime number? Number 29, they gave us 2, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Nothing can go in all this except 9. So 9 is not the what? Prime number. So our answer there is 9, which is option E. So number 30th question. Number 30 says, find the HCF of 40, 24, and 16. So let's go 2 here, that will give you 20, 12, 30. What can go again? 2 can still go. 2 here will give you 10, will give you 6, will give you 15. Nothing can go again. So that will be 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Number 31 question. Subtract 1/5 of 60. Let's interpret it. 1/5 of 60 from 1/4 of 84. 1/4 of 84. So 5 here 1. 5 in 6, that is 1. Remainder 1. 5 in 10, that is 2. So we have 12. 4 here 1. 4 in 8, that is 2. 4 here 1. So we have 21. So it's going to be 21 minus 12, which is equal to 9. Number 32 question. Number 32 says, oh, we skip a question. This is actually 32. So let's do 31. Number 31 says, express 3 whole number 4/5 as a decimal. Please don't make a mistake. I don't want to clean this. This is 30, this is 32, and this is 31. So let's change this to an improper fraction first. 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15. 15 plus 4, that is 19 over 5. So we have done a question like this the other time. So that would be 5 here, 19 here. 5 in 19, that is 3. That's 15, remainder 4. 5 in 40, that is 8. So we have this 3.80, which is option E. So now we are going to number 33. 33 says, find the square root of 122. The square root of 122. Two numbers that will be multiplied together, but the answer there is not, the correct answer is not, because 11 times 11 will give you 121. So it's either they made a mistake here, or the answer is not in the option. Even if it is 121, the option there is still wrong. So it's going to give us 11 point something. 11 point something. So now to number 34 question. Number 34 question says, subtract the sum of 418. Number 34. We are to subtract the sum of 418. So we are adding 418 and 246. 246. So you add this. This will give you what? 14, 4, 5, 6, and this gives you 6. So is that our final answer? No. From 1,000. So we have 1,000 minus 664. We borrow 1 here, making it 10. This is 6. We have 9 here, 3. We have 9 here, 3. So our final answer there is 336, which is option B. So now to number 35 question. They said, Adu left home for school at 7:16 a.m. and arrived there at 8 minutes after 8. How long did it take him to get to school? So let's take 16 away from 1 hour. 1 hour is 16 minutes. So 16 away from 1 hour. Borrow 1 here, 4. We have 5 here. So we have 4. So plus 8. The 8 that is on top of that 8 o'clock. So this is 12. So it took him 52 minutes to get to school. Do we have it as option C? Number 36 question. It says a farmer was given a loan of 1,500 for farm development at a simple interest of 3% per annum. How much interest did he pay in 4 years? Our simple interest formula, that is principal times rate times time over 100. That is constant. The principal is the original money, which is 1,500. The rate is 3%, and the time is 4 years over 100. This 0 is 0 here. So we have 15 times 3 times 4, which is equal to 180. So we have it there. Number 37 question. The sum of 60 naira was shared between Tom and, we have Tom and John. and we are told is in the ratio 3:4, and the total money was 360. So when you have ratio like this, the first thing is you add it together. That is 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. And we are working, they said Tom and John. Find the John's share. So we are working with 4/7 times the total money, which is 63. So 7 here 1, 7 here 9. We have 4 times 9, which is equal to 36. So Tom's money will be 36 naira. So let's go to number 38 question. So number 38 question says, if A is equal to 2, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4. Find the value of 3A plus B. So it is going to be 3, 2 plus 4. And this is 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. Number 39 question. 39 says, if 12 men can cut a law in 4 days, how 12 men in 4 days? Let's leave that. And that is what I said from the beginning of the question. You just take your time to interpret the question. You will definitely get the answer easily. In how many days can 4 men cut the same? So 4 men now. 4 cut 4. So we have 12 days. It's going to take 4 men 12 days to do that same work. Number 40 question. Number 40th question. A man sold a car losing 20%. Let's take that 20%. 20 over 100. Any number that carries the percent carries the over 100. If the car was bought for 600, how much did he sell the car? 600. This can take care of this. 2 here 1, 2 here 5. So we have 600 divided by 5. 5 in 5, 1. 5 in 6, that is 1. You need that 1. 5 in 10, that is 2. And 5 in 0, that is that our final answer? No, so it will be 600 minus the lost. So we put the answer. That is going to give you 480. I've already done it. So now to number 41, we are going to 50 question. We are to decrease 448 by 25%. So the 25 will be 25 over 100 multiplied by 448. And don't forget, whatever answer you get, you still minus it from, because we are decreasing. If we are increasing it, whatever answer we get here, we add it to this original figure. But now we are decreasing. Whatever answer we get, you minus it from this. So 25 here 1, 25 in 100, that is 4. So we are having 448 divided by 4. 4 here 1, 4 in 4 1, 4 in 4 1, 4 in 8 2. So now it will be 448 minus this 112 that we got, 112. Yeah, this is 6. This will give you 3. This will give you 3. So our answer there is 336, which we have as option C. I hope you are getting and you are enjoying it. And you notice you are not using calculator for anything. So please, let's desist from using mommy's phone for calculating or daddy's phone for calculating. We don't need it for now. Number 42 question says, Ajayi bought a bag of Gari at Asaba for 30 naira. Gari for 30 naira. And we are told that and went to Lagos and sell it for 75 naira. Sold it for 75 naira. What if Ajayi's profit? Okay, sold it for Ajayi. What is Ajayi's profit if he spent 25 naira on transport? Transport is 25 naira. So what we will do here is it will be 25. It will be 30 naira for the Gari, 30 plus 25 for the transport, and that gives you 55. So he sold it for 75 minus 55, that is 20. So Ajayi's profit was actually 20 naira, because the transport of taking it to sell in Lagos will be added to the cost. Number 43 says, how many 25 kobo stamp could be bought from 25 naira? That 25 naira, that is number 43. We are giving it to us in naira. If you are taking it to kobo, it will be multiplied by 100. So it will be 25 multiplied by 100 divided by the number they sell So 25 cut 25, you have 100. So you'll be able to buy 100 stamp, which is option D. I'm giving a graph here, but I will still talk about it. The graph below shows the monthly rain. So the graph below shows the monthly rainfall in centimeter of a town in Nigeria from January to August 1984. Use it to answer question 44 to 47. In which month was the highest rainfall recorded? From my graph, in case you have the textbook, you will notice it's in the month of June. Number 44, it is the month of June, which is option D. Number 45, which was the rainfall of, what was the rainfall in February? So you go to February and that is 6 centimeters. Okay, let me quickly read out the graph. In January we have 5, in February we have 6, in March we have 7, in April we have 9, in May we have 8, in June we have 10, which is the highest, in July we have 8, in August we have 6. So we have done. So now to number 46. What is the difference in the amount of rainfall that was recorded in the month of March? So we go back to March, which is 7. Number 46. March is 7. And July, we said July had the highest, which is 10. No, let me see July. No, July is 8. July is 8. March, we have June to be highest. So we have 8 minus 7, which is equal to 1. Now to number the average of the highest and the lowest rainfall recorded over the period. So we have number 47. The January there is 5. 5 plus February is 6. March is 7. April is 9. May is 8. June is 10. July is 8. August is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll divide it by 8. So you add those things together and let me have the answer. So now to number 48 question. We are almost done. So number 48 question. Express the ratio 3 1/2 7 1/4. So when we have this 3 times 2 6, that's 7/2 ratio. 7 times 4, that is 28. 28 plus 1, 29/4. So this is the same thing as 7/2. Then you take the down up, the up comes down, 4/29. 4 year to, no, 2 year to 2 year 1. So we have 7 times 2/29, which is equal to 14/29. So we have it there, 14/20 as option C. Now to number 49 question. The side of a triangle are all of the same length. If the length of one is 4, they are all of the same length, and we have it to be 3. Triangle means 3. So we have 4, 4, 4. It has been given, so that will be 4 plus 4 plus 4. What is the perimeter of this thing? So that is 12. We have it as option B. And now we have come to the end of Editn Txt 1 if you are using 26th edition, or if you are using 25th edition like myself, you are in text 18. So number 50th question says, it took James 3/4 hours to travel a distance of 126 kilometers in his car. Calculate the speed in kilometers per hour. So we have one whole number, 3/4. 1 times 4, 4. That is 7/3. We divide it by 126. And that would be, okay, this is 4. So that would be 4 divided by 7, because we are changing this to multiplication, 126. 7 year 1. 7 here is 18. So we have 4 times 18, which is equal to 72. Do we have it? We have it as option E. I love you so much. Bye. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do. It's an encouragement to me. Subscribe, share, and let the video get the visibility that I actually need, and for it to reach other people too. Bye.